Hi! Okay. I'm trying to compose myself looking at the receipt of everything na nabili ko. Sa totoo lang guys, I do not splurge this much. But now, I can say I did. Okay, so I went to Watson's the other week and I wasn't feeling okay. Talagang sobrang, I was down, I was miserable, I needed a break, and that was my break. Okay, I went to Cubao. I live near Cubao, so that's where I usually shop. And I was like, you know, I need something to put me out of my misery because either I shave my hair o mamili ako. So, namili ako. And this is the receipt, just as proof. Medyo faded na siya. I went there last week pa. And I'm gonna give you the subtotal right now, okay? I paid 694 pesos and 70 centavos for everything I bought. Okay, so just a heads up, most of the products here are really cheap, but if you add them up together, it will come up as this. And I really love Watson's. Okay, to be honest, Watson's is one of the best places to shop when you need something for yourself, you know, a beauty find. They have really good items there. And by the way, I'm not getting sponsored with this. I really bought this stuff. Okay, binili ko siya din. Okay, so let's start with Pure Derm. So I got myself the Argan Oil Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I've been using this for like a year or 2 years already. I don't remember if nakagawa na ako ng video or nakagawa na ako ng blog post, but I will include this in my items to review for this channel. Kasi sobrang love na love ko to. From the moment I discovered this till now, I'm like in love with this. I really, really like this. It gently cleanses, tone, and removes makeup. It has argan oil, vitamin E to restore hydration and softness. It's good for all skin types. And I don't have sensitive skin. Thank God, hindi ako. Anong problema mong pusa ka? For some reason, nagmamamiyaw siya pag nagpi-film ako. And then, it's paraben free. So, I really like this. I will do a review of this soon. And then, another thing I got are these animal masks. They were on sale. Originally, 99 pesos siya. I got them for like 49 pesos per sheet. Per pack. I don't know how to say it. Ayun. I got them. I got the seal. Tama ba? Seal. I got the panda. I got the fox. And I have the pig. Okay? So, pansin ko, may category siya. Okay. So, the panda and the seal are, not panda, the fox. The fox and the seal are brightening masks. Brightening argan sheet mask. And then, we have the pig and the panda for whitening collagen sheet. So, if you're looking for something na can reduce oil from your face, like I do have oily face right now. Let's not deny it. Wala akong makeup ngayon. Hindi siya yun. Pampaputi at pampabrighten ng skin. So, if you have dull skin, this is the way to go. And, first time ko lang siyang gagamitin. So, I do have dull skin on some days. For some reason. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But, I will try those out. Next one I got are White Korea product. Okay, bakit ako I got White Korea products. I got the facial cream whitening Vita. I also got the nose pack. And then, I got the pore purifying balm. And all of these, again, up for review. And so, totoo lang guys, yung nose pack, matagal na to sa market. It's really, really good. Okay, I will do a review of this and tell you guys what I think about this. Okay? Okay. Now, let's move on to Cathy Doll. Cathy Doll, I really like their products. I usually buy them sa 7-Eleven. Believe it or not, they have products sa 7-Eleven. Like, pakita ko sa inyo. Here are just some of the items na available sa 7-Eleven na Cathy Doll. Ayaw matanggal. O, diba? Dapat sponsored to. Charot! Kahit di na po sponsored, okay, kasi gusto ko siya eh. They have this makeup remover and toner serum. Toner and serum plus foam cleanser. Wow! Multi-product. Nabili ko lang to nung isang gabi. Kasi nilibra ako ng friend ko sa 7-Eleven. Tapos, the whitening sunscreen. And then, the Milky Splash Essence. Marami pa actually. Some 7-Eleven stores, they're complete with like the sachet form. But if you want to buy the full pack, like the full package, you could go to SM Department Store. Mas kompleto doon. I swear. Okay. Now, let's go to dun sa napili ko. I got only 2 items. Mainly because I was like, should I not? Should I not? And they were so cute that I was just like, what the hell? This is the Black Magic Sheet. Black Magic Mask Sheet. Okay. Try mong sabihin yun ng 5 times. This is oil control, pore minimizing, and skin purifying. I will try this out because I have oily skin. I have big pores because of my age. And you know, the kind of work that I do right now. And it's skin purifying. So, I need those for my skin. And this one, by the way, magkano ba to? Saan pa? Cathy Doll. Cathy Doll. This is only 59 bucks. Ito, nabili ko siya ng 49 pesos each, pero 99 siya pag after, I think, January 25? Not sure. Tapos, ito 59. Mura pa rin, to be honest. Mura pa rin siya. And then, I also got the So Happy Berry Yogurt Peeling Gel. I don't know what this does. Nakitan lang talaga ako sa itsura niya. Because it looks like a strawberry, and I like strawberries. And this one, magkano ka? 59. Ay, di, may presyo siya. 39, sorry. 39 siya. And this one is 59. Ayun. Next. Ay, huhuli ko to. I got 2 random face masks from different brands. This one is from Naruko. I don't know what Naruko is. Sa totoo lang, sa tagal ko na atang hindi namimili ng face mask or sheet mask. Ngayon ko lang siya narinig. And sa tagal ko na rin hindi nagbabasa ng blogs, which is bad. I should really go back to reading blogs. This is the Raw Job Steers. And from what I can remember, this is only 69 pesos. It looks very expensive. Like, it looks like it's 150 pesos per sheet. Hindi po, 69 lang. So, I will try this out. If magustuhan ko siya, I'll buy another one, or I'll buy the whole sheet mask range na meron sila sa Watsons. Kasi ang dami. Kasi ang dami kong nakitang sheet mask to. Parang 5 ata, or 4, or 6. Iba-iba siya. Tapos ang cute ng packaging. So, sabi ko, next time. Kasi, investment talaga yung pagbili ng sheet mask or face mask. Para sa akin. And then, another one I got, ang sama ko pag sinabi ko to. I bought this because of this. Ang cute niya kasi. Nakikita na ko sa ganito. This one is from SNP. This is their The Sound of Your Heart Sensation Wrinkle Mask. Yun yung nakalagay sa likod. This is a wrinkle mask. I don't really know if I have wrinkles yet, but I will try this out. I am so curious kasi para siyang anime mask. And, ayan siya, oh. Ano diba? Parang I bought this because of what it might look like on my face. Ang sama. Okay, last but not the least. Oh my god, eto sa totoo lang binili ko lang to kasi K-pop related. Korean, okay, Korean culture related. These are Pororo masks. Oh my god, Pororo. Okay, if you guys do not know Pororo is a children's television program in Korea. And ito yung main character, si Pororo. And then this is the best friend. I believe this is the female best friend. Best friend? What? Best friend. Ito si Tong Tong. Kaso itong Fox, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. There are like several characters. Pero sa Watsons, they only carry 3 doon sa pinuntahan ko. I don't know if marami pa tong version. And I was like, I was like, should I buy this because it's cute? Or I was like, should I buy this because it's cute? Or should I buy this because it can help my skin? Alam mo yun. Alam mo yan, girl. Kung namimili ka ng sheet mask, alam mo yan. The only sheet mask that I will buy that I would not consider the packaging or what it would look like on my face is Leaders PH. Kung nasa Osamis ako, ang dami kong Leaders PH na binili. And I did not do a review on those. And I was like, okay, this year I will do a full range of Leaders PH mask reviews. I've written it on my notebook. Papakita ko sa inyo yung notebook na sinasabi ko. Bam! So if you have any video ideas or requests or anything you want me to do, nilalagay ko siya dito. And to be honest, right now, I have like 16 na ba to? Yeah. I have about 16 video ideas. So, the more that you ask me to do, I will just add it in. And most of it naman, nagawa ko na, upload ko na lang. I am so freaking weird. I know. Okay, so yeah. Going back to the mask. Got 3. These are about, how much are you, Pororo? Wala kasi siyang presyo sa likod eh. Pororo. 49 pesos. Amazing, diba? So yeah, I got the Moist Full Mask Pack. This is the Pororo. And then Friends Tong Tong Firming Mask. And then Friends Smart Pore Guide Mask Pack. So ito para sa pores. Ito if you have dull, dry skin. And then if you want your skin to be firmer, go for Tong Tong. Ayun. So basically that's all the items I got from Watsons. To be honest guys, sobrang alam mo yung there's that guilt and regret, but then I'm like, I'm excited for all the face masks that I will be using. Kasi sa totoo lang guys, it's not a joke. Ever since I got hooked to the Korean, 10-step program, which I will do a video about, I was like, okay, I should really invest on my skincare rather than just makeup. Kaya I bought these. Like, ang daming makeup sa Watsons, guys. Ang dami kong nadaan ng makeup counters. But I was like, nope, I'm not here for you. I'm not here for you. I'm not here for you. I'm here for the mask. And they have this full shelf na puro face mask. And I will try to get each and everything from that counter. Kasi sobrang Watsons is one of those stores that it's like, I love it. I love Watsons. Period. Okay? I'm rambling right now. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for other products that you would like me to try, I heard there's one, yung Top O. I am trying to research where I can buy that full set kasi may skincare range talaga si Top O. I will try to find out that and then let you guys know what I think about this that as soon as I can. But if you have any suggestions, questions, reactions on my purchase, go to the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell para informed ka sa new videos na i-upload ko. And for the next few videos, I will be wearing makeup. Don't worry. Hindi nyo na masyado makikita tong hubad kong muka. Hubad kong muka. Ano daw? I'm like filming at 2 o'clock in the morning. That's why medyo groggy na yung utak ng ate niya. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Okay? Bye! Mwah!